In this guide, I'll show you how to add a video overlay in Davinci Resolve. So this is going to be my main clip, and this clip over here is going to be the video overlay. So if your video overlay has an audio track that you want to get rid of, right-click on it and select Link Clips at the bottom to unlink them, and then click on your timeline to deselect them, and then you can select the audio track and delete it. Now with this video overlay clip, I'm going to click and hold it and drag it up, which is going to create a new video track. And then you just want to adjust it on your timeline so that it's the same length as your main clip. So now what you want to do with this one highlighted is have a look to the right side of your screen where you want to scroll down in the video section, and you want to look for composite mode. So by default, this is going to be on normal. See all these different ones that you can adjust it to though. And if it's too much, you can always adjust the opacity as well to decrease it, and it'll give it a really cool effect. Now, if you wanted to adjust the actual size of the video clip, you can. Simply select the transform icon in the bottom left corner of the video player, and you'll also be able to adjust the size as well. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.